Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to download Intel Power Gadget on a MacBook. To start, go into whatever browser you use and then type Intel Power Gadget. Once you search that, the first results will be from software.intel.com, so just click on it. After you click on it, it will take you to this page, and over here click Intel Power Gadget 3.7.0 for macOS, and then download it wherever you would like. And after it downloads, just open it. After you open it, it'll start verifying and checking volumes and those things. And over here, just double click to install and start the installer. Over here in the first page, click continue. This is the software license agreement. Just click continue here and agree. And then it'll ask you where you want to install it. I'm just installing it in my applications folder. It should take under a minute to install. After it's been installed, you can just move this to the bin and then basically open Spotlight using command space or this button and search Intel Power Gadget. If you're using this for the first time, open System Preferences and then click on Security and Privacy, and over here just
It's
click Verify
12:45.
to allow it. That's just voice counting. After you've done that, you basically have the Intel Power Gadget. It shows you how much power you're using in watts, the frequency of your processor, the temperature your processor is running at, and the CPU utilization. You can also run tests such as a maximum frequency test that takes your CPU up to its maximum frequency, which in my case is 2.7 gigahertz. You can also do a 2-thread frequency test and an all-thread frequency test, which uses all the CPU, and then you can see the temperatures going up very quickly and all goes at 2.6 megahertz. You can also run a GPU test, but it might make your system a little laggy.